Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming your Android version and ensuring a current backup. This avoids data loss if anything fails. Once done, charge the phone above 20% and connect to Wi-Fi so updates finish. Now open Settings, tap Security or Lock Screen depending on your device, and select Screen Lock. Pick PIN to begin. It's fast and widely supported. I'll show why PINs balance security and speed, then guide you through choosing and confirming a strong, memorable code. After choosing PIN or password, enter your code and confirm it. Make it memorable but not trivial. Once set, go back to lock screen settings to enable smart lock or fingerprint if you want quicker access. Remember, these add convenience, but not full replacement for a strong PIN. Make sure to require PIN on device restart for best security, and adjust the lock timeout so the phone locks quickly when idle. This balances usability with protection and prevents unauthorized access. Finish by testing the new lock. Lock the phone, unlock with your PIN, and check biometric fallback works as expected. Once done, enable Find My Device and verify your Google account is linked so you can remotely lock or reset if you forget the password. If anything goes wrong, for example, locked out after too many attempts, use Account Recovery or Find My Device to reset, and only consider a factory reset as the last resort after confirming backups. That prevents permanent data loss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.